world is on your shoulders, and the wind is getting colder, and you cannot seem to find your peace of mind. You start to feel like nothing matters. One more fall and you might shatter. Every day you find a mountain you can't climb. And all of these things you've been through, the dreams that you said goodbye to, you wonder where this leaves you now. Oh, as long as you keep on fighting, I swear there's a silver lining. You're gonna see the sun come out. You gotta give it time, gotta give it time. You're gonna be alright. You gotta give it time, gotta give it time. And you've got the rest of your life. With the darkness finally fading, you can start another painting. Fill the day with all the colors of your life. We show up and do our best. We never know what happens next. I hope it's easier with me right by your side. As long as we keep on fighting, I swear there's a silver lining. We're gonna see the sun come out. Oh, we gotta give it time, gotta give it time. We're gonna be alright. We gotta give it time, gotta give it time. And we've got the rest of our life. As long as you keep on fighting, I swear there's a silver lining. You're gonna see the sun come out.
It's gonna be okay.